Welcome to BankCard Pro's CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to customize and edit the user types within the software. On the login page, we're going to type in your username and your password. You're going to agree to the terms of service, and you're going to log in. And the first thing you're going to look at is you're going to go to the Users section and just click on the Main User button that's on the gray menu bar. Here you're going to see the type of users in your system, and you're going to organize and customize all the user types based on how you want your sales organization to be organized within your company. What we have already set up in the system is we have a bank branch user type, bank partner, system admin, administrative user, technology user, underwriting user. Then we have sales office, sales manager, sales rep, inside sales rep, bank referrals, CPA referrals, referral partners, and then telemarketers. The way this system is designed is you're able to create unlimited user types, and the user types must be organized in a way like it's in a hierarchy, to where your admin users are supposed to be on top. Then you would have regional users, then you would have sales office users, sales manager, sales reps, referral partners, telemarketers, and so on. So what we're going to do is, right now I could see that this is disorganized, and bank branch and bank partner really should be moved down to the bottom to where the referral partner users, because the top user in your system should be the system admin user, which is your company. Then we have administrative users, which is administrative, technology, and underwriting. So these users should always be at the top because they're admin users. Then what you would do is you would add additional users like regional sales office. Then you would have sales offices, which are under the regional sales offices. Then you would have sales managers linked to sales office users who actually manage all your sales reps. Next step, you would have sales rep user types, which are all linked to different sales managers, in which the sales managers are linked to the sales office managers, who would be linked to, as an example, regional sales office managers. Then you would have your inside sales reps, referral partners, and then telemarketers. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up and organize this in a hierarchy network from top to bottom in your system. So what we're going to do is going to go to home page link, click on Setup Configuration page. You're going to scroll to the third section, and you're going to click on the link that's called User Types. Here you can see you could change the order of all your user types. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and keep the bank partner and bank branch users, but we're also going to keep referral partners, but I don't need bank referrals or CPA referrals because I'm not going to use them. And I'm also not going to use trade associations, so we're going to delete those. Now we can see that the bank partner and bank branch should be all the way down here, right below referral partners. So what we're going to do is go ahead and reorganize this, and we're going to start technology is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to add 9, and then 10, and then we're going to submit. Now it looks like we have it in order the way I want your organization to run. So you have all your system admins at the top, then you start with sales office, sales managers, which are under the sales office, sales reps, which are under the sales manager, inside sales reps, which are under the sales reps. Then you have your bank partners, bank branch partners, referral partners, then there's telemarketers at the end. And we can also change that to 13. Now what I want to do is, because if you're a ISO or sales office and you're nationwide, and let's say you have 2 or 3 regional offices with sales offices under each region and sales managers and sales reps linked to that sales office, well, what you're going to do is you're going to add regional sales office, and you're going to add new. And what we're going to do is go down here, and we're going to reorder it and change it to number 4. Now you have all your admin users, which are these 4 rows right here. Then you're going to start your hierarchy of your network, starting with regional sales office. Then you're going to have several sales offices under each region, several sales managers under each sales office, several sales reps under each sales manager, and then several inside sales reps under each sales manager as well, or sales rep. Then you're going to have your bank partner, referral partner users, bank branches, referral partners, telemarketers, and so on. So we're going to make sure this is saved. Everything's all set up correctly. Then what you're going to do is you're going to see a drop-down menu next to each sales type. The options that you have is user, admin, or network. What this means is right now you're going to have your admin users given admin rights. And what that means is this user, any user that's a technology type user, is going to be able to see all information for all users under them, which includes regional sales offices, sales office, sales manager, and sales rep. And what that means is you're going to see all the accounts, leads, trouble tickets, and so on for every user within the system. And that's what admin gives you rights to. If you choose user, then what that means is that whoever is assigned to a technology user type is only going to see data, leads, accounts, trouble tickets, and so on for that one user account only. They're not going to be able to see any data for any other user in the system. If you change it to network, then what that means is no matter where you are in the hierarchy, let's say if you're a sales manager user and you chose a network, you're going to see all the accounts, leads, trouble tickets, etc. for that user account and all users below them that are linked directly to that user account. So that's what user, admin, and network means in this system. So when you submit this, you're going to see everything is all saved and correct and in the correct order. When you go to the user section, you're going to see now that the types of users are all in the correct order now. You have the system admin, administrative users, technology, underwriting. So we got all our admin users up. Then we have sales office. Now what you're going to notice is regional sales office is missing. And what that means is you have to go to user access rights in the setup configuration page. Scroll down to the third section, click on user access rights, and you're going to scroll down to where you see users, which is right here, and we're going to activate all these options. But we're also going to go to user profile, and you're going to see regional sales office is not enabled, so we're going to enable it, plus a couple of other user types as well. We're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to submit. We're going to go back to the user page. Now you're going to see regional sales office is now visible, and you're going to have 5 users as sales office linked to the regional sales office. You're going to see 2 actual sales managers linked to sales office user types. Then you're going to have sales reps, inside sales reps, and then all your referral partners for bank partners, bank branch, referral partners, and telemarketers. We're going to sign out, and this concludes this training session.